Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how to clean and marinate a whole red snapper. I have red snapper, vinegar, lemon and lime, as well as salt. This fish was already descaled and gutted, but I'll go back and make sure that all the scales were removed, and I'll also clip off the fins. Remove this white part that was left behind from the stomach lining and also clean out the bloodline. With kitchen shears, remove the fins. Me personally, I leave the tail on. Now that the fish is completely descaled, the white lining is removed from the stomach, and the fins are removed, we'll rinse it under cold water and move on to the cleaning process. To clean the fish, I'll pour salt as well as vinegar, and I'll use the lemon as well as the lime to scrub the fish, inside as well as outside. When this process is done, I'll let it sit in this citrus marinade for about 10 minutes. Rinse underneath cold water, and I can move on to seasoning the fish. To ensure the marinade penetrates the fish, go ahead and cut alongside the fish twice on each side. Add the juice of 1 lime, the seasoning mix, as well as the épices. Rub it all through the fish to make sure that it's evenly coated. To get that heat from the chili peppers, I went ahead and burst it and rubbed it over the fish. You can leave this fish marinating for about an hour or even overnight. Stay tuned for the next video to see how I use this fish 2 ways: oven steamed fish as well as fried fish. Thank you for watching.